Think you know yourself? Most of us like to believe we have a pretty good handle on who we are, our quirks, our strengths, and even our weaknesses. Maybe you've taken a personality test online, or you've read about the big 5 traits and tried to figure out where you fit. But what if there's more to your personality than you ever realized? What if the classic categories you've heard about are just the tip of the iceberg? Get ready, there's more to your personality than you've ever imagined. Recent scientific discoveries are shaking up everything we thought we knew about what makes us tick. Imagine finding out that your personality is more complex, more layered, and more unique than any test result has ever shown you. That's exactly what's happening right now in the world of psychology. For decades, psychologists have relied on the Big 5 model to describe our personalities. These 5 traits, openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism, have been the gold standard for understanding human behavior. You've probably seen them in personality quizzes, job applications, or even dating profiles. The idea was simple. Everyone falls somewhere on the spectrum of each trait, and together, they paint a picture of who you are. But plot twist, science says it's not that simple. As researchers dig deeper, they're discovering that the Big 5 might not be telling the whole story. In fact, new evidence suggests that our personalities are far more nuanced, with hidden layers that the classic model just can't capture. Enter the age of artificial intelligence. A brand new study used powerful AI algorithms to analyze thousands of personality profiles from people all over the world. The results? Surprising patterns emerged, patterns that the Big 5 simply couldn't explain. The AI found clusters of traits and behaviors that didn't fit neatly into the old categories, hinting at a much richer tapestry of human personality. Among these new discoveries, researchers spotted traits like self-transcendence. This is for the people who are always searching for deeper meaning in life, those who meditate, volunteer, or spend time reflecting on their place in the universe. Self-transcendence goes beyond just being open-minded. It's about feeling connected to something bigger than yourself, whether that's nature, humanity, or a sense of purpose. Then there's risk-taking, a trait that captures the thrill-seekers among us. If you love adventure, crave excitement, or find yourself drawn to activities that get your adrenaline pumping, like skydiving, mountain biking, or even starting new projects without a safety net, this hidden trait might be a big part of your personality. It's not just about being outgoing, it's about embracing uncertainty and loving the rush of the unknown. And in our fast-paced digital world, another new trait has emerged: digital adaptability. This is for the tech whizzes who always seem to know the latest app, can troubleshoot any gadget, and thrive in the ever-changing landscape of technology. Digital adaptability isn't just about being good with computers, it's about being comfortable with change, learning new skills on the fly, and staying ahead of the curve in a world that never stops evolving. These hidden traits could actually explain why 2 people with the same Big 5 scores act completely differently in real life. Maybe you and your friend both score high on openness, but while you love meditating in the park, they're always chasing the next big thrill. Or perhaps you're both conscientious, but one of you is a tech guru, while the other prefers a more traditional approach. These new traits help fill in the gaps, revealing the subtle differences that make each of us unique. Let's make it fun. Imagine you're the first to try every new gadget, always updating your phone, and teaching your friends how to use the latest tech. That's digital adaptability in action. It's not just a hobby, it's a core part of how you interact with the world. This trait could be your secret power, helping you thrive in jobs that require quick thinking and constant learning. Or maybe you spend your weekends volunteering, journaling about your thoughts, or getting lost in deep conversations about life's big questions. If that sounds like you, self-transcendence might be your hidden strength. It's what drives you to seek meaning, help others, and find peace in reflection. This trait can shape your relationships, your career choices, and even your sense of happiness. So, what does this mean for the future of personality science? It means we're just beginning to scratch the surface of what makes us who we are. As researchers continue to use AI and big data, we'll likely discover even more hidden traits, each one adding a new layer to our understanding of human nature. The next time you take a personality test, don't be surprised if you see questions about your tech habits, your sense of adventure, or your search for meaning. Imagine a world where personality tests go way beyond the classic 5 traits. They could help you find the perfect job that matches not just your skills, but your hidden strengths. Or maybe they'll help you connect with people who truly get you, whether it's a friend, a coworker, or a romantic partner. Even dating apps could use these new insights to match you with someone who shares your sense of adventure or your passion for technology. So, are the Big 5 enough? Or is it time to dig deeper? As science uncovers more about our personalities, we might need to rethink how we see ourselves and each other. Maybe the real you is still waiting to be discovered, hidden in the spaces between the old categories, ready to shine in new ways. Smash that like button if you learned something new, subscribe for more brainy discoveries, and comment with your secret trait. What's hiding in your personality? The journey to understanding ourselves is just getting started, and who knows what amazing traits we'll discover next.